Mark from Custom Dynamics, back again with another new shark beam. This one's a pedestal mount. This can be mounted on any model that has a 3/4 inch mounting block for the headlight. So that covers a lot of models, a lot of years. Very cool product. Comes with our pedestal mount bracket, which that's what we'll mount to the 3/4 inch block. Has a nice visor, little trim piece that goes on. You can run it with it or without, it's up to you. Also, this one will come with a universal wiring harness, which I'm going to go in depth on in the video. So without delay, let's get after it.
All right, guys, we're here at the bike. We're gonna remove the headlight, just take it off the mounting block. But we got to do something with the wire. You can either pull the rubber, grommet there, and fish out the connector, and do it that way, and then splice it in. But I'm just gonna cut it. I did disconnect the battery. Make sure you do that. I'm just gonna cut it right here, make it simple. So, cut the wire there. We'll go over the harness, how we put it on. But first, we just want to remove the headlight. Nut, the bolt, the washers, all that, that headlight is off. All right, guys, we're back here at the bike. Got the wire stripped back, just a hair, kind of bent out of the way. I put some extra heat shrink for when I finish all this up. I mean, there's several ways you can do this. I mean, you can get some connectors of some sort and do whatever. You can solder it. We put in the kit these solder seals, which they work very nice. Which you're gonna wanna do black to the ground, which is black, white to the high beam, and red is to the yellow, that's the low beam. So that's how easy it is. But simply, one of these ends is bigger than the other. These wires are a little bit bigger. So you feed those into the middle there where the solder is, both sides. Kind of mesh them together there a little bit. Get it to where it's in the middle as best you can. And then I'm gonna use a torch. You can use a heat gun or whatever. Just be careful with it's low heat. Just hit it till it melts in. You can see it melt almost. It's real easy. There it goes. Solder is melted. It's as simple as that. Do that with the remaining two. I'm gonna continue it here in a second, and I'll put this heat shrink over it. Then I'll have it out to the front, and then we'll go to the bench and put the Shark Demon there together, and be right back. All right, guys, we're back here at the bench. In the kit will come your 4 screws, little button heads for Shark Demon to attach to the bracket, and then 2 smaller button heads and some serrated nuts for the visor. I'm gonna put the visor on. Like I said, you can do this. You put the visor on and then put the bracket to the bike and then put the Shark Demon on the bracket. I'm gonna install it all here and then put it on the bike. Just makes it easier to show you guys. But like I said, you can put the visor any way you want. I'm gonna put it like so with the hood facing back, kind of covers where the wire comes out. Just grab your button head screw, line up the holes, push it through, use your serrated nut on the back side. Simple like that. Same thing with the other side. Snug them up here. That. Switch out the tools. Grab our Shark Demon. As always, top faces up. Run the wire through the hole. Shark Demon here. The little button heads with the washers. Start them. Like I said, if it's easier for you to do it on the bike, do it on the bike. Either way, this is, like I said, always the hardest part. Getting them to line up. simple though. Lined up, started. Pretty much it. I'll tighten them up and then see you back at the bike. All right, guys, we're here back at the bike. We have our harness up here coming from the bike. We get our Shark Demon. I'm going to reuse the nut and bolt that we used, that we took off from the stock stuff. So I'm going to mount that up. Simply slide pedestal mount bracket over the block, through the nut, through the bolt through. Get the washer, lock washer, and stock nut back on. Just let that sit there. Tools we need. Just gonna snug it up real quick. Snug it up because we will adjust it when we aim it. Set it there for now. Now we can plug in the Shark Demon. Just like that. Pretty simple install. We'll check the operation. Got low beam, high beam. Looks pretty good. Well, that'll do it for the pedestal mount Shark Demon. Like I said, it goes on a lot of models, anything with the 3/4 mounting block. Very simple install, and big difference for lighting. Has a nice visor, just a good looking light. As always, you can pick these up at your local drag specialties dealer, and of course, customdynamics.com.